Hey everybody, welcome back to another unboxing. This one's going to be the Drag H80S from Voopoo. Available in 6 different colors. Today we're going to be showing you the carbon fiber edition. Now the key takeaways with this device are going to be the new airflow system they have. At the top you're actually going to see 2 different channels on each side, totaling in 4 different airflow holes. The new Eco mode lets you vape for about 10% longer, and it's 15% smaller than the Drag X. The pod itself is going to be something similar we've seen from Voopoo in the past. You just simply unscrew the top part and it'll expose the part where you can fill it up with juice, and it's protected but with a rubber stopper. Voopoo showed how much they really love magnets. The pod itself is magnetic and the back plate to replace the battery is. This device really has everything you want to see in today's vaping experience. You got the quick Type-C charging port, and it can go all the way up to 85 watts, so meaning it's compact and powerful. Included with this kit, you're going to get the device itself, the 4.5 milliliter pod, warranty card, user manual, 2 coils, and a cable. Alright, there's a quick unboxing of the Voopoo Drag H80 pod system. We'll see you on the next one.